Are you tired of dealing with hair fall, breakage, and slow growth? Using oils is a natural and effective way to improve hair growth and overall hair health. In this video, I will be sharing the top 20 oils for hair growth. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft and nourish the hair follicles. It promotes hair growth, reduces breakage, and makes your hair shinier and healthier. Castor oil. Castor oil contains acid which stimulates hair growth and improves scalp health. It's also great for nourishing the hair, making it stronger and smoother. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil mimics the natural oils produced by the scalp, helping to balance oil production and promote hair growth. It's also great for reducing dandruff and scalp irritation. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish the hair and promote growth. It can also help to reduce hair fall and split ends. Almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and minerals that strengthen hair and promote growth. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids that nourish the scalp and reduce hair fall. Argan oil. Argan oil contains vitamin E and fatty acids that improve hair elasticity and promotes growth. It also helps to reduce frizz and make your hair shinier and softer. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil has been shown to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce scalp irritation. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which improves blood circulation and stimulates hair growth. It is also great for reducing dandruff and itching. Lavender oil. Lavender oil promotes hair growth and improves scalp health by increasing blood circulation. It also has a soothing effect that helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to clear the scalp of any infections and promote healthy hair growth. It is also great for reducing dandruff and scalp irritation. Cedarwood oil. Cedarwood oil helps to increase blood circulation in the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. It also has antimicrobial properties that helps prevent infection. Thyme oil. Thyme oil is a potent antifungal and antimicrobial agent that help prevent infection and help promote hair growth. Hibiscus oil. Hibiscus oil is from the hibiscus flower and it's rich in vitamins and minerals that helps promote healthy hair growth. It also helps to prevent hair fall. Ginger oil. Ginger oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help soothe the scalp and prevent infection. It also helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. Carrot oil. Carrot oil is rich in antioxidants that can help nourish and strengthen hair. It also contains keratin, which helps improve blood circulation and promotes hair growth. Pumpkin oil. Pumpkin oil is rich in zinc, which is essential mineral for healthy hair growth. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that help promote healthy hair growth. Neem oil. Neem oil is a potent antifungal and antimicrobial agent that prevents scalp infections and promotes healthy hair growth. Amla oil. Amla oil is Indian gooseberry and is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. It helps nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. Brahmin oil. Rami oil is made from the herb Bacopa monnieri and is known for its ability to promote hair growth. Using these oils regularly can help to improve hair growth, reduce hair fall, and make your hair shinier, longer, and healthier. Try them out and see the difference for yourself. And did you know you can make all these oils at home all by yourself? Subscribe to my channel and watch out for more videos on how to make this natural hair growth at home.